Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just unpack on the Senzo Meyiwa trial. It's back at the Pretoria High Court. Hayibo, I didn't expect ukuthi umuzi kakhulelwa Sibiya will be the first witness advocate Charles Mnisi. I didn't expect that. I don't know what I expected. I expected maybe abantu that we had spoken about, okay, nabanye abantu, I mean, obviously they're still gonna come, no longer, but not umuzi, not now anyways. But I guess maybe this is a strategy, right? To hear again ukuthi umuzi uthini, because remember wake wakhuluma phela umuzi on the trial, within a trial where they were speaking benontanzi ukuthi babeshawa nje. These two ayibashayiwe. Guys, General Sibiya is implicated again and again everywhere. Namanje ubhizi ngale ad hoc, ubhizi uqamba manga uthi they had a fallout, no brothers law, umkhwanazi. I'm still gonna unpack that one later. Let's just talk about Moses' testimony encane lana, what he said, Uthi how it went down. He was arrested outside a shopping mall, or should I say maybe a shopping center, in 2019 at Tembis. That's how he was arrested. And General Sibiya, njengoba ngisho ukhona lo baba lo uhleze everywhere, umzwile sesu Joseph. Guys, I was just like, why are you using Bible, guys? Ungekho right, uzazi kahle ukuthi you are associating yourself with inkulunkulu. Ususebenzisa iBhayibheli, you're using your mother, afanele sikuzwele. Guys, angikho lapho for now though. So Muzi was actually arrested by 2 police officers who took him to go to Glorinkopo technical response team first, right? And then they took him to Glorinkopo after that. He was handed over to General Sibiya, General Shabane, Constable Zungu, Isgebengu, Namanga, the one actually that sold these 5 guys, in fact. It's last corner because of Zungu, guys. Zungu's lies, claiming uchabazi these guys, guys, Zungu has messed up this thing. Working with Ukininda in so many ways. You feel good to know General Sibiya who was inside Pagat. Makubo was the Makubo Gazanisi Samazu Warrant officer was the first people to come at Lopete 375, which is the people that were inside the house. The case is in Esfunuk Dilanai, not 2636, right? Makubo was also there. And then, please note, Uguchi, all of this, when it was happening, General Sibiya in 2019 was suspended. Jobumbana suspended manje. This is his second suspension. Uhleze suspend. Why would you be suspended if you're a good cop, guys? You're a top cop. Why in Jalo Uhleze suspended? And at the time he was suspended, it's because Ubesolega case for Senzo Meyiwa. They were just like, no, there's something about you that we're not sure about. He was there when Umuzi was later on assaulted, right? And he was arrested. Wafagwa the handcuffs at the back. Like how he showed us, it look both the hands and it basfag, and then zibe at the back. That's how it happened. And then they started putting a plastic on top of his head and then pour water, assault him to speak. But I don't know the guy. I've never met the guy. I don't know him, actually. You remember how I've always put it and be like, even Undanzi said, I don't know Senzo Meyiwa like that. He could have been a Bafana captain. He could have been a goalkeeper, but I'm like that. I didn't care about him like that. So I don't know him. How could I then have analyzed the guy that I don't even know? All sorts of things. He's repeating the same things Umuzi Sibiya that he said at the trial within a trial, right? Where Brigadier Kininda later on said, oh, I know, they can say whatever they want to say. But they did admit to deleting Senzo. How can you not admit, guys, when you are the only person that's being shot there, maybe by 5 people? There's nothing you can do. Nothing whatsoever that you can do. And Urata, what did he do at the trial within the trial? All those things, he was just like, no, they are admissible. They agreed. They were not trapped. Nothing happened to them. They were not murdered. They were not trapped. There's nothing wrong with these guys. They were sober. They were in their sober minds. Uthi-ke Muzi, the abuse, inhlukumezo, and the shampering and the mooring went on for a long time. He's repeating the same things. Remember, he said on the trial, within the trial, he was taken to some steel factory. Yazi nokuthi kuphi kodwa mina ngokwami I think it's in the East Rand. And lapho bamshaya, bamenzani? Bemthela ngamanzi, bemvumisa, bemchoka, bemenza all sorts of things. Guys, hayibo. And I'm still saying this is gonna turn around. It won't end well. Uthi bathi ke na Nyamanzi Senzomeyi wathi, no, I don't know anything about him. I also don't know about his passing, because they were like, you know about him and you are the one that actually was there during his passing, or should I say during his unalive being him, you know. Uthi when he says to them, no, I don't know Senzomeyi, they beat him, God worse. Uthi they murdered him until they charged him with the RUGS. But idakamizwa nazo ubuyiphethe and ammunition. But they give you remember at some stage, accused number 3, there was accused number 3 at some stage, naye wakhishelwa ngaphandle endini, and then the police will get inside and then plant stuff and come back and be like, this is yours. Like, guys, it's crazy. They did the same to accused number 1, Muzi Sibi. That means that the same thing. They were just like, we are in control. Who are you? He says, Undlovu tried to stop the beating. It's like, guys, you can't do this. Late Bani, late Ndlovu. Late Ndlovu. He was also unalived. By who? We don't know. Apparently, Ndlovu was just like, guys, leave this guy alone. You can't be shopping this guy like this. So all I wanted to say before we continue dissecting the case today and all the proceedings that happened today, uShadrack Sibiya has no shame, guys. He is implicated in so many things. Joseph. How is he, Joseph? And it beats me. And then besuzokhala ngoma wakho. Khona umunye uthe, oh, the mother is old. And uyamazi umntanakhe ukuthi akekho right. So uyabona guys ukuthi don't try and play some games with us and play victim. It won't help. When NIU came there, he was like, my mom was there. They were traumatizing the children. And then later on, you are the same person. I said, no, actually, the guys were nice and respectful. How? Which one is which? So, ngizoyingimi lapho kancane umuntu ebusy. Ethi ayibangijikela. My colleagues turned on me. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting this channel. Please, guys, subscribe and like and watch the ads. Ngithanda over.